ukulele fool, foolishly believing that ukulele players make the world a better place. Let's do a classic song from the 1920s. Here are the chords you need, and if you use the easy D7, these are not particularly challenging chords. If you're playing it on a baritone, these are the chord fingerings that you're going to need. The strum pattern that I recommend is a bouncy strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And actually the down, up, down, up, you can swing those a little, make all the downs just a little bit longer than the ups. So it's like down, shooby, dooby, dooby, down, shooby, dooby, dooby, down, shooby, dooby, dooby. But you know this is a 4-beat strumming pattern, and if you want to island strum it, go ahead, island strum it. Well, and speaking of the island strum, there are a few times in this song where you have a chord that's just dangling out there. In my chord chart, I've put them in yellow. There's no words that we're singing with those chords in yellow, and that's a really good opportunity to change up your strum. So I recommend that you could do an island strum on those, or do a strum that I call the up and off. So they're on G7, so up, 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 down, up. And by changing up your strum, you're just kind of like giving the listener just a little push into the next section. Like, whoops, there you go. Let's do a practice session together. We're going to start off slowly, and each time I repeat it, we're going to take the tempo up just a little bit. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Here we go. C, down, 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 up, E7. So if you could keep up, great. And if not, then you have a challenge. I have some singing tips for you because I don't know about you, but I know for me, this song is a little bit high on my range. I don't feel very comfortable singing, "Does anybody see my gal?" That's a little challenging for me. So put a capo on your 3rd fret. Then you're going to retune your strings to A sharp or B flat, depends on which one, D sharp or E flat, G, and C. It's important to retune your strings because the capo kind of deforms, warps your strings, and so that's an important step in using a capo. 5, then I'd sing it down here, 5 foot 2, your eyes are blue, oh, what those 5 feet could do. Has anybody seen my gal? Way more comfortable for my voice, and maybe for a lot of guys too. I have a sneaky hack for you. Put it on a baritone ukulele, but finger it just like the regular. So we finger a C on the regular like this. Now, baritone it's a G, but if you're just reading the regular chords and fingering it just like a regular ukulele chords, it sounds like 5, 1, 2, and here it goes. 5 foot 2, eyes are blue. Oh, what those 5 feet could do. Has anybody seen my gal? Pretty awesome, huh? This is a very short song, so what I'm going to do is repeat the whole thing twice, but the second time I'm going to make it speedier. So I'm going to do at the end I'm going to give a C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'll be your cue to go faster. Our starting vocal pitch is an E. 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. I hope you had fun playing that. You got other suggestions from songs from the 1920s, maybe? All right, I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please leave me a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And thank you to all my patrons.